Hello and welcome guys, we are back with the another video of Motor Gears, and today, we are going to see the 2020 Kia Carnival, which is the latest version. Guys, the latest Kia Carnival is the third generation vehicle of Carnival model. The first generation of Carnival was launched in 1998 till 2005. And the second generation was launched in 2006 till 2014. And the latest third generation was launched in 2015 till present. Guys, Kia Motors has globally sales about 2.8 million of units across 180 countries in 2019. Carnival has launched in many countries with price about $42,500 to $56,500. Price may vary in every countries. But Kia has still doesn't launch the Carnival in some countries like India. Kia will launch the Carnival on the 23rd of February 2020 in India. With expected price around 30 lakhs to 40 lakhs based on the models. There are 3 models given by Kia Motors. Premium variant, Prestige variant, and the limousine variant. All the models have the same exterior dimensions with length of 5115 mm, width of 1985 mm, and height of 1755 mm maximum, and ground clearance with 170 mm. Carnival compete most of the SUV and MPV like Toyota Fortuner, Ford Endeavour, Toyota Innova Crista, and more like MPV in terms of comfort and convenience. Let's talk about the engine. The engine gives displacement of 2199 cc and maximum power with 197.2 bhp at 3800 revolutions per minute with maximum torque of 440 nanometers at 1750 to 2750 revolutions per minute. Carnival comes with 3 color options in all the 3 variants. Black, white, and grey. The speciality of the Carnival comes in the seats. Carnival offers 7-seater, 8-seater as well 9-seater options varying on their models. 7 and 8-seater option comes in low variant, 7 and 9-seater option comes in mid variant, and only 7-seater option is available in limousine variant. The second speciality of this car is the second row seats. They are truly more comfortable with the thigh support as compared to Crista Innova, and also they are adjustable. Talking to the convenience this car has made for comfort, luxury as well as the utility vehicle. Carnival engine is mated with the automatic transmission with 8-speed automatic and comes the 18-inch alloy wheels with the full chrome garnishing. The interior comes up with Apple CarPlay as well, Android Autos, and feature like 10-way adjustable driver seats, ventilated driver seats, diffuse rear AC vents, cluster ionizer, auto cruise control, auto defogger, UV cuts, door glass panel and windshield, Harman Kardon premium 8 speakers, sound system, 3.5-inch display panel, wireless smartphone charger, 220-volt laptop charger, and rear view seat. Talking about the exterior, Kia offers Tiger Nose Grille, Project LED headlamps with Escort and Anti-Fog lamps, LED tail light, shark fin antenna, chrome rear garnishing, roof rails, rear spoiler, and 18-inch sputtering finish alloy wheels. Talking about safety features, Carnival offers ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, driver and co-passenger airbags, and also side and curtains airbags, parking rear sensors, and 4-disc brakes with auto headlamps. One more feature Kia offers is sunroof, which comes in both the mid variant and limousine variant. The base variant doesn't comes with any sunroof, meanwhile there are dual sunroofs offered by Kia in mid and limousine. Guys, boot space of this car is 540 litre offered by Kia, and also the boot depends upon third row folding because it gives more space when third row is folded, and also the seats adjustment and seat recline is a major factor of capacity of boot space in each variants. Friends, it's a family car and yet it's most dominating MPV, which will give a tough competition to Crista Innova. And it's also the car which gives the convenient second row seats, and also the MPV which gives a proper 7-seater in which adults also can sit in the third row. So, this was the speciality of Kia Carnival, as it's the longest MPV which gonna launch in Indian market. Hope you like the video. Friends, if you like to watch more videos on upcoming cars, then hit the subscribe button and get latest updates of cars and autos with the latest videos of Motor Gears. Till then, stay tuned.